Good morning, students. Today is April 7th, Tuesday. So we'll go over the rest of Chapter 20 for Book 2B. And let's check our homework from yesterday and make sure you do the corrections. So for textbook 2C, exercise 9. For the first two questions of exercise 9, we'll do this on the textbook. So for question number 1, with the rice cooker that costs $640, we need to circle a $500 note and a $100 note, so they add up to $600, and then two $20 notes, so the first one and the second one, so they all add up to $640. And for question number 2, for the toothbrush that costs $17.40, as I said, we cannot circle the two $10 notes, because if we do so, we'll have $20, which is already the amount is larger than that of the toothbrush. So we can only circle one $10 note, so $10 here, and then we'll circle a $5, so this adds up to $15, and then because $15 is still less than $17, so we need to circle some more coins. So we'll circle the $2 coin. So this all adds up to $17. But we do have the part for cents, so we need 40 cents. So we'll circle one 20 cents and two 10 cents. So 20 plus 10, 30 cents, 30 cents plus another 10, 40 cents. So $17.40. So for question 3 and 7, you need to work on math A or B. So I'll go back and forth page 71 as well as the math A and B paper. So for question 3, I went over that with you yesterday. So this is the answer for question 3, $9.20 plus $4.50. So here you do the calculation for the column form, so we do not need to borrow or carry over anything to the dollar, so it's pretty straightforward. And so she should pay $13.70. And for question 4, so Jack buys 2 pens and then $18.90 plus $18.90. So here when we do the calculation, because 90 cents plus 90 cents, they add up to 180 cents. So we need to carry the $1 over to the units in the dollars part. So 1 plus 8 plus 8, 17. So that means we need to carry 1 over as well in the tens place for the dollars part. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So he should pay $37.80. And question number 5, how much more expensive is a glue stick than a ruler? So glue stick, $12.80, ruler, $9.20. So $12.80 minus $9.20. So 80 cents minus 20 cents, 60, 12 minus 9, 3. So a glue stick is $3.60 more expensive. And Sean has $8.50. How much more money does he need to buy the ruler? So a ruler costs $9.20. So he needs actually more money in order to purchase the ruler. So we'll take $9.20 minus the amount of money that he has, which is $8.50. So there, $9.20 minus $8.50. So we work on the cents part, because 20 cents is actually smaller than 50 cents. So we need to actually borrow $1. So if we borrow $1, then we'll only have 8 over here. So 10 minus, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So we have the 70 cents. And here, 9, we no longer have 9, so we only have 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So that means he needs 70 cents more to buy the ruler. And then the last question, question 7, Cindy pays $20 to buy a pair of scissors. How much change should she get? So $20 minus the cost for a pair of scissors, which is $11.60. So $20 minus $11.60. So here, when we work on the column form, we need to put the 0 for the cents part of the $20. So once again, because 0, like we cannot minus 60 cents, so we need to borrow $1 from the units place. But it's also 0 here. That means we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. So 2 becomes a 1 here. And we have a 10 in the units place. But we need to lend 1 to the cents part. So make this a 9. And then we have 10 in the cents part. So 10 minus 6, we have a 4. 9 minus 1, we have 8. And 2 becomes a 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. So simply we have $8.40. So she should get $8.40 for the change. Please turn to page 71 of textbook 2B. So we're on chapter 20 for textbook 2B. And question number 2. My birthday is on 29th of February. I celebrated my birthday in these years. Because these were all leap years. The special thing about the leap years is that for February, they have 29 days. So these are the years that have February 29th. So question for part A, use the calendar in the computer to help Evenstead find out the years he's going to have his birthday. So I want you to try this on your own. Usually, if you are working on the computer, on the bottom right corner, when you click on the time, like you should see the calendar. So I want you to pause the video and try to find out the years that he's going to have his birthday first. So he'll have his birthday 2016, 2020 this year, 2024 and 2028. And did you guys notice something? Evenstead celebrates his birthday every 4 years. So that means leap year usually comes every 4 years. Question number 3. Evenstead took a holiday to celebrate his birthday in February 2012. So for part A, Evenstead and Mom went on a trip on 27th February and returned on March the 4th. Their trip lasted for how many days? So the first day that they went on the trip is February 27th. So this will be the first day, second day, third day, and then 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th day. So they return on March the 4th. So this is the day that return. So the trip lasts for 7 days. Evenstead booked the airplane tickets 5 days before February the 1st, which was on. So we need to count backward. because we're talking about 5 days before February the 1st. So first of all, we need to figure out the total number of days that we have for January. We have 31 days for January. So when we count backward, so this is February the 1st. When we count backward, we have 31st here for January, 30th, 29th, and 28th, 27th. So we're talking about January here. So 5 days here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days before February the 1st, which was January 27th. Part C. Evenstedt also went on a 6-day business trip to Beijing on March 30th. So March 30th. The last day of his trip was on... So March 30th will be his first day of the trip, and March 31st, second day. And then we have April the 1st being the third day, April the 2nd, there April being the 4th day, and then April the 3rd, the 5th day for his trip, and then April 4th, the 6th day. So there, for a 6-day trip, the last day of his trip would be April the 4th. So on page 72 at the bottom we have the classwork. So once again, I want to try out all the questions on your own first, and then in 2 seconds I will show you the answers. Okay, so for a year that has 29 days in February is a leap year. And this year, so we're talking about 2020, is also a leap year. And for question number 3, there are 366 days in a leap year and 365 days in a common year. So leap year is the one that has 29 days in February. Common year, only 28 days in February. And question number 4, there are how many days from February 26th to March the 5th, 2020. So the word inclusive means including the limit specified. So including February 26th and also include March the 5th when we count the number of days. So 26th of February. So inclusive, that means we have to include this. So let us circle all the days that we need to consider. So up to March the 5th. So we'll simply count the number of days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here's the answer for question number 4. There are 9 days from February 26th to March the 5th, 2020. Inclusive, that means we include February 26th and we also include March the 5th.